Yung guys. Yung Alaska Kangaroo. Ito lang ba yung size? Bakit dalawa? Hindi pwedeng isa lang?
Ay, ma'am,
Ito. 70? Ito ba yung price?
Ay, ma'am.
Ayan ba yung price? 70?
Hmm.
Okay. Yung Nestle cream, nasaan? Okay. Classic. Alaska Condense. And what else? Graham, yung Graham powder, alam mo yon? Saan yun pwedeng kunin? Graham powder? Ah, okay.